Hey everyone! If you have been interested on using the Deepseek app and wondering on how to sign up on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up in the Deepseek app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen, just like this. Now tap on it. Then you will see something like this. Now here you can find the sign up button right here. Now select it. Now to sign up, simply add your email address, add the password and confirm it. After adding your email address and your password, simply tap on to send code just right here. After adding the code, tap on to I confirm just right here, then tap on to sign up. Now you can see you have signed up successfully. Now tap on to start chat. And that's it. This is how you can sign up in the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.